Hi everybody, this is Birdie. Welcome to my channel at Positive Bluebird. This is a wood burning tool I was trained to use at an old company called Stampin' Up. You must be 18 or older to use this tool because it is very dangerous. Typically used for wood projects, the class was taught how to carefully burn paper. A water bucket is always a good idea on hand or a fire extinguisher, but I am using very light compressions here as to not burn the paper completely. And I do have a piece of metal behind the paper so that I don't burn my hand. The class was twice a year on how to make professional looking special occasion cards or other projects. It was a lot of fun, and it's been several years since I've gone because I believe that the lady that ran the program has retired. Okay, while the rest of this video is going to go in fast motion, I would love for you to stay tuned for part 2 of my DIY handmade notebook, and grab your teenagers because they would love to make something like this for school. Peace out and stay positive and stay safe, everyone. Happy crafting!